And at the odds of all challenges stemming from different sources, we still have success stories in business in Georgia.
First, Georgian Depositary notes from Silknet, something that this type of company has never done on this market before. Salome Metsquarishvili reports.
Revenue of 387 million lari, 31% share in the fixed internet market, 34% in the mobile communications and broadcasting transit segment, 55% share in the fixed phone market. These are company Silknet's main numbers. Innovative offers are the signature of Silknet. The company never slows down. As a result, for the first time in history, Silknet issues public depositary notes which anyone can purchase. Let's explain what that entails. If you want to become the owner of one of the largest company's securities in Georgia, you no longer need to have a lot of money. For $1,000, you can become an indirect owner of Silknet Eurobonds and get benefits for it. Silknet has a lucrative offer. If you have money and think about making a worthy investment, Georgian Depositary notes are a good option. The amount invested by you will be accrued at an annual interest rate of 11%. At the same time, you will be able to trade securities on the Georgian Stock Exchange through financial intermediaries. Those who have savings in dollars or are afraid of the depreciation of the lari can buy Eurobond and receive 5.5% of the invested amount as accrued interest. 11% per year is much more than any bank deposit in Georgia. Depositary notes are securities that in this case are tied to the $200 million worth of Eurobonds issued by Silknet in 2019. Eurobonds are traded on the Irish Stock Exchange. However, you need at least $200,000 to trade on the International Stock Exchange. Silknet is introducing a new product to remove this barrier. TBC Capital assists the company in these processes. The general public and other identified investors in Georgia are interested in Eurobonds but are unable to participate due to a $200,000 regulation. Silknet decided to issue certificates of deposit in response to this problem. Any interested investor in Georgia will become the indirect owner of this Eurobond for $1,000. No precedent has been set for the issuance of public depositary notes in Georgia yet. Therefore, the National Bank had to create a legislative framework. Now everything is ready. The Minister of Finance asserts that Silknet's decision might have a spillover effect on other companies. The emergence of new financing instruments in the market is important for the development of the economy. Silknet decided to create an additional tool. We believe that this process should be further established in the market. In 2020, we have significantly renewed the regulatory and legal framework of securities and brought it closer to international standards. One of the directions was issues related to depositary notes. Updated requirements have been developed in this regard. Despite COVID-19, Silknet has decided to issue public securities in 2020. The company believes that now is the right time because in parallel with the pension reform, Georgia's capital market is also advancing. The main priority now is for the local investors to capture this moment.
We are BMG. Follow and subscribe for business and economics news.